Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to save videos on Twitch Mobile. And for this you need to open your Twitch application and you need to log in. And after that we go to our profile right in the bottom, then tap on settings, help and legal, and from here go to privacy notice. Then tap on the three lines right in the top and scroll to the browse function. Alright, I am already logged in, but if you need to log in, please log in to your account. And once you did that, we zoom a little bit in, tap on your profile and then go to settings. From here tap on channel and videos, and right now tap on the three lines left in the top and make sure that you click on stream. Then remove this screen by tapping again left in the top on the three lines in the top, and then scroll down to VOD settings and make sure that you turn the store past broadcast, that you turn that on. Then you have more settings. You can also do always publish VODs or turn that on, what you prefer, but this is exactly how you can save videos on Twitch with your mobile. Alright, this is how it works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.